Hello, Katja here for the Finnabair. And today I have like a album. It's like a wedding album, but I'm thinking it to do like an album with photos, and it's with craft. And I want to put like paper around it from Craft the Clock, very beautiful papers. And but I want to do color the edges first, so I'm using two colors of impasto paints, and the impasto paints is very thick. So you see me spraying some water on the impasto paints, and I'm using a kitchen sponge, and I want some colors to be a little bit different, to not be same all over. So that's why I'm mixing them, and some parts can be darker and some lighter. And I'm doing this on the edges to give like the brown and grungy look. I love the grungy look. How could you resist that? And I will do that on the pages outside and inside the album, and today it's a tutorial on the outside. And you can see I made it, and now I will attach the papers from Craft the Clock with Finnabair's soft gloss gel. It works with the 3D matte gel or the also the soft matte gel. Right now I had a little bit in my tube of the gel, and it comes in many different sizes and it works perfect. And you see me struggling a little bit of having it in the paper in the middle. I'm not the perfect one, so struggling a bit, and be sure, and I will put some extra in the corners. Please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And also, I would like to hear what you think about the video. It's not a difficult project, it's only to follow my process, but I think it can be nice to be shared anyway, like the paper crafting and the mixed media, how to add mixed media to our paper craft project. Okay, I'm thinking that I want to add some color to my project, and the paper is a little bit glossy, so I'm adding on all the pages and also on the sides some clear gesso. It's a little bit white when you're doing it, but it dries clear, but it will have like a soft coat, and I'm doing all the sides. Here I have this beautiful mold, and the frame is made from the mold, Grungy frames. And here I'm adding black gesso. You could use white or clear. I didn't know where to go with this project, so I was making like black gesso. If I wanted to have like some shadow effect, some grunginess, so I'm painting or dabbing every piece of the frame with black gesso. When it's dry, I'm sure it's dry, I'm picking out the set of colors, the patina effect colors, and I start with the teal one. Already loving it, and I'm tapping it on. It doesn't need to be perfect, and the black is like a shadow effect. Now I'm not drying between, because I like to mix them. If I don't want the colors to get like mixed, I should dry between the layers. But here I don't mind if they mix and blend together. I'm even using the same brush, so I'm sure even to get in the edges. And right now you don't see so much of the black gesso, but you need to get have gesso before you paint over it. I realize I want to have like something else, so I'm doing the same with the rust effect paste, adding some brown. I want to have some contrast. I didn't know where to go. It's like that. I have like a house from snip art, and okay, I'm making it only with the one layer of paste, because these pastes, they have like texture in it, and if smaller projects, if you use too much paste, the details will not show, and this small house really have nice details, and I want to keep them. And this album, I will pick some photos and do some photos. It has been so long a time when I move my house. I will move my house and a new part of life will start, so why not? I already like it. Yes, an album in patina colors. Um, that's great. And now I'm having like a plastic, and I make like a background with leftover papers. I have some glass glitter and also some micro beads and also some sweet sequins. I want to do like a shaker on the front. Just for fun. Yeah, why not? I like to add like things just for fun. And here I will glue everything. And it takes time for this to glue. It gets like um, because I'm gluing with heavy body gel, and it's take time before it dry. It will come like air inside it, and I put something heavy so it will not go. Now it's time for gluing, and I'm using the best thing ever, and that's the heavy body gel. Oh, it's best gel ever. And I'm adding like gel on my grungy frame, and yeah, it was a little bit more simple project today, but and mixing it with paper craft, because inside this album it will be a lot of paper crafting. Um, just for fun with some photos. Uh, yeah, it could be great, and but it's also nice to have like a beautiful album when I have my photos ready. So the my shaky detail is dry, and I wanted to have it in the middle of the frame, and I need to have like something in the background so it will stay keep. I have some leftover chipboards and they will be perfect, but I will add like a lot of heavy body gel, uh, so it takes time to things will dry, and when I taking the photos it will show a bit. I'm so sorry for that, but it takes time when it's like little bit airy inside. So, but I like it, and these brown and tealish and patina colors, yeah, absolutely my favorite colors. Okay, now it's pretty dry, and I will have a string to hide the edges. You could put like paper or details or even art stones or everything like that. But I would like to have like something different elements, so why not put like a string? So I'm trying to do like a circle and will glue it around it. I was thinking if it will be like perfect layer, but I was thinking no, I'm doing like a circle and attaches around it. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, like that, and not so much perfection. But anyway, it get really perfect anyway like that. And then it's time to add my details. I have some the house. I have add some metallic wings from Finnabair also, and all my metallic embellishments are from Finnabair. I just love them all. Some leaves, of course, around the house we need to have some leaves. and also some small leaves, and I'm using the heavy body gel to all my embellishments, and also playing around. And this label, I try to find like a place where to have it, and I find it on the upper part. So everything I glue with the heavy body gel, and that's perfect for more heavy embellishments like metallics. Yeah, and also have this beautiful flower that it's matching already. So I don't want to overdo it. I think the background papers and the middle composition must like to come together. I also have these numerals, and to adding a little bit around interest, and that's because I will move to an older house, and that will be great with the numerals to symbolize the older house. Yeah, and I have like a piece of place, why not a pebble coming there, and just leave it like that, like that. And I have some heavy body gel, a little bit messy around, so I pick around a little bit some leftovers and going around, dabbing a little bit like a thin coat. Um, so I sprinkle the micro beads and get a little bit more interest, not overdo. Sometimes I do that because I love the micro beads. How could you not do that? And a little bit a screw also on the top of everything on the um, wings. Yeah, I doesn't need to do so much more, but I will add a little bit shadow around everything. I'm spraying water, and then I pick the burnt sienna, and I add a little bit of the burnt sienna around the house, spraying water and dabbing here and there to add a little bit like a shadow effect. And when it's dry it will not show so much, but you do how much or how little you like. And also from the patina effect I have the brass color and a little bit dry brushing on the house and on the frame, and yes, like that, not so complicated. So hope you get inspired and let me know what you think, and take care. See you.